You're watching PPMA TV, brought to you by our wonderful friends at Markham & Marge. And I am here surrounded not just by these wonderful, wonderful machines, but by Andrew from RARUK to talk us through what's going on. Thank you so much for joining us.
That's a pleasure.
Okay, so first off, before we learn about these lovely devices, what is it that you do at RARUK?
So RAR, we're distributors of automation machinery. Today at PPMA, we're more focused on the universal robot and applications around universal robot with the mobile robots and the palletizing solution.
Yeah, I mean, they're absolutely brilliant. I've been fascinated. They've been walking around us. They've been moving around us since we've arrived. I think we're going to really focus on this one over here, which is, well, can you tell us a little bit more about it?
Well, it's really to provide end-of-line palletizing solution. I mean, lots of distribution companies or factories will have somebody picking boxes off a conveyor and putting them on a pallet. I mean, it's arduous, can be heavy, so not always great for safety-wise for RSI, and also it's difficult to get people to do it these days. So palletizing solution is very simple. You just program where your pick point is, and it comes from the conveyor. Normally, you put it on the pallet. Whatever box configuration is easy to program. It's a great solution.
It's literally as simple as that.
It is simple.
I mean, it's absolutely brilliant as well. And just before we started our conversation, we actually saw it come all the way out. So it then moves all these pallets too.
Yes. Well, so we've got the palletizer, which is traditionally conveyor delivers the box and you put it on the pallet. Or you could do the other way around, depalletizing. It's just reverse of the same. But we've added in the mobile robot from Mir here. So we're illustrating that once your pallet is full, then the Mir will then deliver your product to goods out or stores or wherever it needs to go.
Fantastic.
It may come out, you may see it come out in a second.
But we'll keep an eye on it. Well, yeah. While we're waiting for the mobile robots to come out, I know we've got another one by the side of us here too. But how are your customers finding these? Are they enjoying them? Are they getting more interested in making things more mobile?
Yeah, I think I know one particular application, which was with this larger solution, because with this one we can get to 2.7 meters, which is quite high. One application. Initially, there's some reluctance from the workforce because they see them coming in, but then they realise, oh, well, we're not lifting heavy boxes every day, and they get familiar with the product very quickly. And then there's a problem if it's not working, because we've had a customer where they've had to change over to another product, and so the engineers are just reprogramming. Oh, it's quick. They still got to reprogram it, reconfigure, and then, we've got to do it ourselves now. So initially a reluctance, but very quickly it becomes a must.
Yeah, absolutely. And we're seeing that as a trend, this automation within the industry. It is, I think you described it perfectly, that reluctancy to start with, but people go, oh, that's my job, I'm doing that. And then suddenly they go, oh, actually, hold on, I can go and do something else, which isn't that labour on my back or whatever it might be. So their skills are more useful. Look, I think we need to, I'd say make way. I know that it's going to stop for us. And yeah, look at this health and safety straight away.
Yeah, it stops.
And we will get out of the way. Let's come this way and let him do his job.
You're right. There's many tasks in the modern factories which people are better being used for. Higher skill, become better paid jobs, more interesting jobs. Putting boxes on pallets is, if we can automate it, let's do it,
Absolutely. I love that, and it really is providing that solution, like you said, for that better work balance. Okay, so we are here at PPMA. I know this is not the first year you've been here.
No, that's correct. We've been here many years.
Why is it so important for you to be here, and why have you returned time and time again?
We like PPMA's show. The organisers are great. It's always well organised, and one advantage of it is we can bring in end customers and our integrators, because sometimes we need support from other companies to maybe build a conveyor solution and put it all together. And so they can come here, we can meet with them and clients. It's just it's good atmosphere. PPMA is good.
Yeah, we're all having a good day. But listen, Andrew, thank you so much for taking the time to talk to us here on PPMA TV. It's been a pleasure.
Thank you for coming on the stand.
Thank you. And once again, thanks to our sponsors, Mark and Mamage.